Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your sound settings on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go to your search and search for Change Sound Settings and just open up Change Sound Settings. From here, what you want to do is make sure you're in Sounds tab. From here, set the sound scheme to Windows Default. After that, click on Apply. Then just go to Playback. Then just right click on the speaker you're using. Go to Properties. Then from here, just go to Enhancements and click on Restore to Defaults. Go to Advanced, click on Restore to Defaults here as well. Then just click on Apply, click on OK. Then just go to Recording. From here, go to the main mic that you're using. Just right click on it and click on Properties. From here, just go to Advanced. Then click on Restore to Defaults as well. Then click on OK. After that, go to Search again and search for Services. Just open up Services. From here, just search for Windows Audio. Just right click on it, click on Properties. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Then just click on Apply, click on OK. Then just right click on it and just restart the task. After that, do the same thing for your Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right click on it, click on Properties. Make sure the startup types is set to automatic. Then just click on Apply, click on OK and just restart the service. After that, just close this. After that, the last step which you need to do is come to the bottom right corner of your screen and go to the little sound icon and right click on it. Then just go to Open Volume Mixer. Then right at the bottom of the screen, you'll find Reset Sound Devices and Volumes for all apps to the recommended default. Just click on Reset. Then just close this. Then just go ahead and restart your PC. And basically that is how to reset sound settings on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.